Hello and welcome back to the English Learning Podcast, your daily guide to speak better English with confidence. I'm Demon Bhaiya, and today's episode is all about how to practice English speaking alone. Yes, even if you don't have a speaking partner. Let's be real, not everyone has someone to talk to in English every day. But that doesn't mean you can't improve. In fact, you can become fluent just by practicing with yourself if you do it the right way. Today, I'll share 5 powerful ways to practice speaking English alone. And I'll also give you listening practice so you can repeat after me and build your fluency. Let's get started. 1. Talk to yourself in English. Yes, I said it. Talk to yourself. It may feel strange at first, but it's a great way to think in English. Start with simple sentences like, I'm going to make tea now. After this, I will watch a movie. Repeat after me. Today I am learning English and I'm proud of myself. Repeat twice, slowly and clearly. 2. Use a mirror. The mirror method. Stand in front of a mirror and speak as if you are talking to someone. This improves your pronunciation, confidence, and facial expressions. Try this. Hi, my name is Demon Bhaiya, and I am learning English to grow in life. Great job. 3. Record yourself. Use your phone to record your voice speaking English. Then listen to it. You'll start to notice mistakes and improve faster. Try reading this sentence aloud and recording it. Every day, I am improving my English step by step. 4. Shadowing technique. Repeat after me. Listen to a native speaker and repeat exactly what they say. Same speed, tone, and pronunciation. Let's practice together. English is not just a language, it's a skill, and I'm building it daily. Repeat twice. 5. Think in English. Instead of translating from your native language, start thinking in English for small tasks. For example, while cooking or walking, say in your mind, now I am chopping vegetables. Next, I will boil water. Let's try together. I don't need to be perfect. I just need to keep practicing. Remember, fluency doesn't happen overnight. But if you practice speaking English daily, even alone, you'll get better every single day. Listen to this episode again and repeat all the phrases. Speak with me. Practice with me. Grow with me. If you found this podcast helpful, please hit like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who's learning English too.